Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Today we have these opportunities. Yes, we have job reads from different companies that you can work remotely. Okay, we are going to see data entry jobs. Let's start with this company. Restorio Insurance Billing is hiring remotely and you can be estimate coordinator. This job has been posted 1 hour ago. As you can see, they pay $20 per hour. The qualification is pretty much simple. It's you have to have a knowledge in data entry and high school diploma only. Okay, there is no degree required, and you can work from Monday to Friday and with no weekends and no nights. Only high school diploma is required to this job. The next job is from this company, UMA Geotechnical Construction. All right, this is the job that you can work as well. Data entry. They pay up to $27 per hour, and this job has been posted 1 day ago. And the benefits, you can see the benefits, the qualification, data entry, organization skills, communication skills, and so many more. As you can see, they don't require you to have degree. If you have willing to do this data entry, you can work with this company. The company name is UMA Geotechnical Construction. You can search with this company and apply to this position, data entry. Yes, this is another company which is hiring to work remotely. American Health Associates, bidding representative. You can work and you can be paid up to 36K per year. And this job has been posted 3 hours ago. As you can see, the qualification: computer, high school diploma, data entry, and computer skills, of course. Okay, so and you can see they have different benefits, and you can apply if you are in these states, only these states, guys. Okay, so the next job is from Zero is hiring to work remotely, and this job has been posted 22 hours ago. You can be paid up to $43 per hour. The company is Zero. All right, the job title is processing and delivery associates. The qualification is customer service, project management, bachelor degree, accounting, organization skills, project management, software, computer skills, communication skills, and so many more. Moving on to the next company, which is hiring Char Industries. Yes, they can pay you up to $45,000 per year. This job has been posted 3 hours ago, and the company is Chart Industry. The job position is customer service representative. Alright, the qualification here is Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, GD Edward, UCC Law, Customer Service, Windows, Microsoft Office, data entry, typing, communication skills, time management as well. So you can go ahead and apply to this position. As you can see, they don't require experience. Alright. So we have this other job, bookkeeper job. As you can see, yes, you can be bookkeeper to this company, BAR 548 bookkeeper, and this job is located in Florida, and you can be paid up to $20 per hour. This job was posted 6 hours ago, and the qualification here: customer service, accounting software, English, Microsoft Office, QuickBooks, data entry, QuickBooking, bookkeeping, restaurant experience, and navigation. Alright, as you can see, this is the job. There is no years of experience. Alright, so they prefer to have at least 1 year of experience. As you can see, the experience is not a must. But if you have experience in a restaurant, bookkeeping, QuickBook Online, that will be good. And the location is virtual, as you can see. By applying to this job, you agreed to receive periodical text messages from this employer. As you can see, this is free employer scheduling, time clocking, and the hiring tool. So we have this other job, real estate assistant, data entry and marketing, Limax 1. Yes, this job is located in California, and you can see it was posted only 8 hours ago as I make the video, and they pay up to $20 per hour. The qualification: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, administrative experience, real estate license, finance management, marketing, and time management. Yes, if you meet all the qualification, you can go ahead and apply. So going to virtual assistant jobs available today, we have this company for roofing, remote receptionists, alright, and this job was posted only 1 hour ago as I make the video, and you can be paid up to $21 per hour. The qualification: CRM software, customer service, office management, and 2 years of experience. You can work remote and part-time or full-time to this job. Guys, this is the job that I have for today. Those who are looking for remote jobs to work remotely from anywhere, you can visit the site. Again, the site is simplyhired.com. Visit the site always to see the job that you are looking for. Yes, if you are looking for maybe virtual assistant, the job that you can work part-time, you can filter the job and see all the jobs are here. All right, so make sure you filter the job according to the new jobs. Okay, as you can see, if you filter virtual assistant remote and you can work part-time, all right, you can see they have all these jobs. All right, so visit the site and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because sometimes I post job before even you know the job is there. So it's better you subscribe for more jobs, global opportunities. Subscribe and share with your friends who are looking for jobs. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. I post job every single day. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.